So today we're going to reconstitute 3 peptides. I'm going to go through the steps on how to reconstitute a peptide. It's fairly easy. You'll receive your peptide or anything in a powdered form. Pop the top on it. Pop the top on your backswater, which is only used for your peptide. The small vials have 3 milliliters in them. Take an alcohol wipe, wipe the tops off. Typically on any peptide you reconstitute, you're going to use 2 milliliters of backswater. So you got a draw syringe. And as you can see right here, the number 2 on there, you're just going to pull your plunger back to the number 2 with backswater. And you're going to put that in your peptide. So you just insert it in your backswater, turn it upside down, draw back to number 2, and you let your syringe fill with backswater. Always pull it back a little bit past the number 2. That way I know for sure I get 2 milliliters of water in there. And you just pull it out. As you can see, I got just a little bit more than 2 in there. That's fine. Then you pull it back and get some air in your syringe. Now you're going to add it to your peptide. Just put it in there at an angle. And as soon as it penetrates, it'll start going in there on its own. The water and the air will all go in there. If there's any white residue left in the bottom of your peptide, you just mix it between your hands like this until it's all dissolved. We're going to do this 3 times so that everybody sees how to do it. That way, if you got any questions, you can just keep watching the video. Again, you just pop the top on your peptide, pop the top on your water, clean the top with the alcohol wipe. I always like to put a little bit of air into my backswater vial. It helps pressurize it and helps draw out the water a little bit. And you draw out 2 milliliters of water again. Draw back a little bit of air. Put it in your peptide and you let it mix. Again, if there's any white powder on the bottom, just roll it between your fingers. One more time. Pop the top on your peptide, pop the top on your backswater, clean them with the alcohol wipe. Add a little bit of air to your water. Draw out 2 milliliters of water. Put a little bit of air in your syringe. Add it to your peptide. That's it. That's how you do it. Pretty simple. Just make sure you get the right amount of water in there. 2 milliliters typically for most peptides.